Hello students, we have seen the recurrence relation in case of binomial distribution. In same way, we find the recurrence relation for moments of Poisson distribution. Now by definition of moments, we have mu r is equal to expectation of x capital X minus e of x raised to r by definition. Now in case of Poisson distribution, you know that e of x means mean of Poisson distribution and it is the parameter lambda. So is equal to summation of x small x minus lambda raised to r into p of x and p of x with parameter lambda. Now in case of Poisson distribution, you know the p of x is the e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon factorial x. Therefore, rth moment of random variable x is equal to summation of x minus lambda raised to r into e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon factorial x. You give number 1. So if you differentiate with respect to lambda this mu r, then what do we get? Derivative of mu r with respect to lambda is equal to, here you apply the product rule. So x minus lambda raised to r is one function, e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon factorial x is free from lambda. So derivative of x minus lambda raised to r is r into x minus lambda raised to r minus 1 into derivative of x minus lambda with respect to lambda means 0 minus 1 means minus 1 into e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon factorial x as it is, plus by using product rule x minus lambda raised to r as it is into e raised to derivative of e raised to minus lambda raised to x. Again you apply the product rule here. Therefore derivative of lambda raised to x is the x into lambda raised to x minus 1 e raised to minus lambda as it is, then plus lambda raised to x as it is into derivative of e raised to minus lambda into minus 1, that is here plus become minus. Then so this step you take minus 1 and r come outside the summation, minus r into summation of x minus lambda raised to r minus 1 this into e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x upon factorial x as it is, then plus x minus lambda raised to r upon factorial x into, here you take lambda raised to x minus 1 into e raised to minus lambda common, then here x minus here e raised to minus lambda common, lambda raised to x minus 1 common, but here is no lambda raised to x minus 1 term, only lambda raised to x. So you divide and multiply by lambda. Therefore 1 upon lambda raised to minus 1. So this lambda raised to x minus 1 and only minus lambda is there. Then is equal to minus r into summation of x minus lambda raised to r minus 1 into e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon factorial x, plus here x minus lambda raised to r and x minus lambda, therefore x minus lambda raised to r plus 1 into e raised to minus lambda raised to x minus 1 can be written as lambda raised to x into lambda raised to minus 1. Therefore lambda raised to x and lambda raised to minus 1 means 1 upon lambda and 1 upon lambda outside the summation 1 upon lambda. Summation of x is going from 0 to infinity, x minus lambda raised to r plus 1 into e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x upon factorial x. Therefore derivative of mu r with respect to lambda is equal to minus r. Now you compare here, what is mu r? Mu r is equal to summation of x minus lambda raised to r e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon factorial x. So here only x minus lambda raised to r is replaced by r minus 1 e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to x upon factorial x as it is. Therefore, this is the mu r minus 1 plus 1 upon lambda into, and this term becomes, instead of r only r plus 1. Therefore, this is the mu r plus 1. So, what do we get? Therefore, you get derivative of, from this you find 1 upon lambda is equal to 1 upon lambda into mu r plus 1 is equal to, so you take this term right, therefore minus become plus r into mu r minus 1 plus derivative of mu r with respect to lambda. Again this can be written as mu r plus 1 is equal to r into lambda mu r minus 1 plus lambda into derivative of mu r with respect to lambda. So this is the recurrence relation for moments of Poisson distribution. If you put r is equal to 1, you get the value of mu 2. If you put r is equal to 2, you get the value of mu 3. If you r is equal to 3, you get the value of mu 4. So in this way, you have the recurrence relation for moments of Poisson distribution. Now we find the moment generating function and cumulants of Poisson distribution. Find moment generating function and cumulant or cumulant generating function, cumulant of Poisson distribution. Solution. By definition, we have moment generating function is equal to mxt. Now you know that Poisson distribution is a theoretical distribution. Therefore, expectation of e raised to tx. Again, you know that expectation of x means x into p of x. Here, summation x is going from 0 to infinity. X means here e raised to t small x into p of x with parameter lambda. Therefore, mxt is equal to summation of e raised to tx. P of x means e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to x upon factorial x. X is going from 0 to infinity. Again, this can be written as is equal to summation of here e raised to tx. This can be written as e raised to t and raised to x, and here lambda raised to x. Therefore, summation e raised to or lambda into e raised to t and raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon factorial x. X is going from 0 to infinity. E raised to minus lambda is free from x. Therefore, outside the summation is equal to e raised to minus lambda in bracket. What is remaining? Lambda into e raised to t raised to x upon factorial x. X is going from 0 to infinity. If you substitute x is equal to 0, lambda into e raised to t raised to 0 upon factorial 0 means this raised to 0 means 1 plus x is equal to 1 means lambda into e raised to t raised to 1 upon factorial 1 plus lambda is equal to 2 lambda into e raised to t square upon factorial 2 plus lambda into e raised to t raised to 3 upon factorial 3 plus and so on. So is equal to e raised to minus lambda in bracket. What is this? This is the expansion of e raised to lambda into e raised to t. So this is e raised to lambda into e raised to t. So this is the expansion of e raised to lambda into e raised to t. So this is the moment generating function, or again this can be written as is equal to, if you take lambda common, e raised to minus lambda, this become e raised to minus lambda plus lambda into e raised to t, or it can be written as e raised to, you take lambda common, lambda into e raised to t and here minus 1. Therefore mxt, moment generating function of Poisson distribution, is equal to e raised to lambda into e raised to t minus 1. So this is the moment generating function of Poisson distribution. Again we have to find cumulative generating function of Poisson distribution, and cumulative of Poisson distribution is equal to kxt, and you know that by definition kxt is equal to log of mxt, log of moment generating function is equal to log of, so what is moment generating function? mxt e raised to lambda into e raised to t minus 1, and you know that logarithmic function and exponential function are inverses to each other. Therefore this can be written as, therefore kxt is equal to lambda into e raised to t minus 1. So this is the cumulative generating function of Poisson distribution. So we stop here. Thank you.